Hi, this is Jeff Meyerson from Stock Loan Solutions. We provide shareholders with liquidity when they need it most. Who we are. Stock Loan Solutions is a family office based out of Salt Lake City, Utah. We were founded in 2006, and our management team has over 90 years of combined financial service and capital markets experience, specializing in non-recourse stock loans and block trades. We're able to execute on most major exchanges worldwide, including all U.S. exchanges, London, Europe, Asia, South America, and many more. What do we offer our clients? We have block trade solutions and stock loan solutions. Why do our clients come to us? Well, first, microcap securities, low-price stocks, and volatile stocks are normally non-marginable. This means an individual cannot secure a loan from a traditional brokerage firm. Secondly, microcap securities are often considered high risk and are very difficult to deposit into a brokerage account. Thirdly, margin loans do not have fixed terms. If a low-price stock is considered marginable one week, the next week the broker may get notified to remove the stock from the margin list. This would require the individual to immediately return cash without much notice. Who do we work with? Our best clients come through referrals and are typically individuals who own large positions in single stocks or have a need for quick liquidity. Also, individual shareholders or entities who hold large single positions, officers and directors, affiliates, former affiliates, direct investors, and consultants, wealth managers, family offices, financial advisors, and brokers. They manage investments for themselves or others, hold concentrated positions in single issuers or have clients who do so, and have the need to lay off risk periodically through an effective, cost-efficient process. Non-recourse stock loans are simple. Most stocks can be used to secure a low-interest loan, typical interest rates between 5 and 8%, a 40 to 65% loan to value, 3 to 5 year term, and this very simple interest-only note. How does the deal flow work? First, there's evaluation. Our automated underwriting system will analyze the deal and provide terms. Secondly, a non-binding term sheet is issued to the potential borrower. Third, upon receiving the signed term sheet and additional compliance documents, a loan agreement is issued. And finally, stock transferring and closing. Upon receiving the signed loan agreement, our office assists with the transferring of the stock into our custodian account. What is our funding timeline? Well, typically about 5 business days. On the first day, that's evaluation, term sheet out, loan application out. The second day is underwriting, compliance review of the file, loan agreement prepared. On the third day is a stock transfer. The borrower has returned the signed loan agreement and initiated transfer of the shares. On Thursday, we are awaiting transfer. Most transfer agents process a stock power within 24 hours. On occasion, this step can take an additional 2 to 3 business days. And finally, on the 5th day, is funding. As soon as the transfer agent processes the request, we pull the stock into our custodian account and we fund the loan. Some examples of a recent loan had a 55% LTV in the cannabis market, 6% interest, was a 5-day closing, and only a $1,500 document prep fee coming out of the proceeds at closing. Example of a block trade solution, there's an effective tool to reduce concentrated high-risk position, typically a 15 to 50% discount to market, off-market private purchase, quick closing times, and instant liquidity solution. An example of a recent block trade, we had a 20% discount to market, 3-day closing, Hong Kong listed company, and once again, only a $1,500 document prep fee. What are the advantages that stock loans offer over our competitors? We have an automated underwriting process which leads to fast closing times and immediate access to capital. How can we work together? You or your client has a concentrated position in a portfolio which requires diversification. We're looking for deals between $100,000 and $5 million. We have a 24-hour or less turnaround time for term sheets and can close and fund within 7 days. Contact us today to get started at 801-877-2926.